the point is that when you're a boss, all right, look how you are going to handle the situation. All right, okay. Sometimes when they take small money, but if you, I wanted to say this, but sometimes there is also a case that I probably have mentioned to you in Giant in the beginning when Giant started in Shah Alam. There are this Indian girl, very pretty, at the age of 18, while waiting for SPM. She goes around and looking into bra. All right, woman is always fascinated with beautiful bra, so she bought two. All right, and then she had in her hand, she tried several more, but and then she didn't realize she have already paid for two. Okay, and then she walked out. She didn't realize that in her arms, all right, there is one more bra that is not paid, so she was stopped at the door. All right, and the bra that was not paid was a lot cheaper than the bra that she has already paid. But she was caught. All right, she was caught. She was sent to jail. I happened to be in court that time. All right, I'm not her lawyer, but I was there watching the in court for in Shah Alam. All right, for the bra that is 120 ringgit, she was fined with 300 ringgit.
Oh.
Oh, all right. Okay. Now, where are the lawyer who wants to mitigate for her? All right. Okay. Should she? But since she nobody mitigate for the, all right, you should be paying for the loss of the other party. Betul? 160 over instead of 300 as punishment. Or if she didn't pay, she will go to jail. All right. Okay, she was already in the detention while waiting for the case. And luckily in Shah Alam, court 4 deals with small theft like this. Still, it is theft. Can you see? Still, it is considered as theft. She was, all right, charged with 378. All right. Okay. So there are situations, all right, when I, sometimes I did, I have a very rare, I will go to court because my client are the ancient client that is with me. But sometimes if I have a 1 day off leave from UITM to go in court, I sometimes sit there and listen to all this, you know, small claims court for. Right, it's interesting to see, right? Okay, so you see sometimes the lawyer is there, all right, the public prosecutor is there, the one who charge is the states, all right, but the one who she must have defending her, sometimes can you go without a defender? In this country there is no such thing as pro bono. You can ask the chambering student to act on that situation, but sometimes the chambering student doesn't have anything to say. All right, okay, again, all right, theft 378 is more severe. Okay, right, shall we move to cheating? Anyone, any more question with theft? I don't mind. Okay, boleh? Okay, you have a question, Ehsan? All right. Yes, Ehsan.
Okay, Prof.
Yeah.
If I'm being charged under Section 378, can my lawyer contend to me to be charged under Section 381?
381. All right. That is, you are working in the institution that charge.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Now, it's like this. In the beginning, when the trial start, all right, a lawyer should know what you should know. What is your charge? Right. If you get a charge sheet before the trial, 378. All right, and then you notice that it is safer for you to go for 381. All right. Yeah, they can do that and change the charge.
Okay.
But the lawyer can make that suggestion, but the lawyer does not have the right, all right, to request for the charge to be changed. The one that can change your charge is the prosecutor. So they have to make, they have to meet and do that. But that is possible, all right? Not when the trial have already begun.
Okay.
Okay. But tu sometimes in the criminal law, you has to establish prima facie. Jadi sebab tu kadang-kadang the prima facie situation is just to establish is that theft or not. But over here, is that theft under 378 or is that theft under 381? Right? Yeah. Okay. Sebab tu sometimes when a case have already been put forward, suddenly court kata okay urgent, everything tukar charge kan? Boleh lah. Itu semuanya not in the hand of the lawyer, but the lawyer can make the application, right? Or deal with it early. Okay, right. Thank you. All right. Anything else? Anything you want to know? Because next, when you are really working and investigating theft, all right? Okay, tadi saya nak cakap, when you have theft, all right, you are investigating theft, documentation is really very important to identify the property, right? You need to identify the property, you need to identify the owner of the property or the person in possession of the property, all right? Okay, now the next one you need to identify is the amount that is involved, right? Okay, the amount. Why? The amount because you want to know with that limited amount, which court are you going to go and attend this matter, or which court the prosecutor is going to go to the matter. All right. Then look at the personality of a person. That person is not a film star. That person is not a prime minister. That person is not a politician. That all that characters, because there is a possibility a special circumstances will make the case jump from a lower court to a higher court. Then you will need more, isn't it? Because they are going to pay what more? More defense to assist you, or more evidence to make sure that the case will stay. All right, boleh? Okay, so with that in mind, the part that is on evidence, the part that is on witnesses, that part we hold towards the end of the last three topics, which is on criminal procedure and evidence act. Yeah, all right. So now we finished with that. Okay, shall we move to cheating? Anyone have questions on cheating? Yeah, ada question on cheating? If you don't have any question of cheating, have you understand the element of cheating?
I have question.
Yeah, Mustaqim.
If I conceal the info, does that mean I cheating?
Yeah. If the information is part of whatever it is, if you conceal, it is cheating. Because you are hiding the information from the other person and you know that person, that is cheating. But what is the element of cheating? What section is cheating there, Mustaqim?
415.
405. All right, let's look at 405. Yeah,
415.
415. Yeah, okay. All right. Saya tak nak tutup di screen. Nah, saya punya akta ada kat sebelah ni ha. Okay, but you tahulah when you open up the act, dia akan lambat kan nak cari section dia. So you help me with it. Okay, right. 415. What would be the word? Can you read for me, Mustaqim?
Open the file.
Kita pun sama. Alright, to open the file. Sometimes the book can help us quickly. Cheating. Okay, I noticed in your WhatsApp, all right, books is not available yet. Still take a longer time to get the book. Yeah, if you get the section, can you read me?
Whoever by deceiving any person, whether or not such deception was the sole or main inducement, A, fraudulently or dishonestly induce the person so deceived to deliver any property to any person, or to consent that any person shall retain any property, or intentionally induce the person so deceive to do or omit to do anything which he would not do or omit to do if he were not so deceived, and which act of omission causes or is likely to cause damage or harm to any person in body, mind, reputation, or property is said to cheat. So omission of information does I'm not deceiving any person. I just omit the info.
Yeah,
So still consider under cheating or not?
cheating.
Because I'm not deceiving.
All right, but why do you do that? Why do you omit the information?
To
Uh,
mm.
all right, yeah, to do something with an intention, all right, to gain benefit or to cause someone to lose. All right, are you following me? Right, so you hide it, you clear the name, you change the name, right? Okay, or you change the number of the IC. That is all omitting. Omitting can also be amend, right? Instead of the number is 0000, you change it to 0009. Why do you do that? All right, okay, that is amending, right? If you hide, instead of 40, you write only 30. Either it's purposely or not, you are going to cause someone to lose something. Someone that you know, they will lose something. Right? Okay? Or someone else will gain something. So as long as the act fall that way, all right, okay, then in that situation, it is considered as cheating. All right. Okay, I have a different book on my table. I have another table over there, but I'm just going to look into the section that I gave you. Yeah. Okay. Look to the word of cheating. Where is my acta?